Good morning class. So this is the second lecture for social science and today we will study geography. And we are dealing with the first chapter of geography, that is resources. So in general you should be aware of what is geography. So what is geography? Geography is the study of Earth's landscape, people, places and environment. Very simple. Everything that is there in the environment of Earth, and when we study about Earth's environment and humans, that is people, so that is basically the study of geography. Now in this chapter you basically need to understand what is gift of nature and how through period of time and through skills and knowledge of humans the gifts of nature get converted into valuable resources. Okay, yes. So nature has a variety of rocks, soil, minerals, natural vegetation, animals. Okay, these are called gift of nature. These gifts of nature help us to fulfill our daily needs. So what are they saying? Basically everything that is there in the our environment, that too naturally, anything, soil, air, water, these are gift of nature. And when these gifts of nature also help us to satisfy our needs. Also, with the passage of time, human beings developed techniques to convert these gifts of nature into useful articles which could satisfy our needs. See, gifts of nature can satisfy our daily needs, but over the period of time when human use their skills in technology, we can have better utilization of these gifts of nature to satisfy our needs. Okay, thus the gifts of nature become resource. So when does gift of nature become resource? When basically through the intervention of human being, through their technique, skills or knowledge, we are able to convert these gifts of nature to satisfy our needs in a better way, then it is called resources. Now what is resource? Resource refers to all the material available in our environment which help us to satisfy our needs. What is resource? Anything which is available in our environment, okay, and if that is able to satisfy our needs, it becomes a resource. Now let us understand the connection between gift of nature and resource through a diagrammatic flowchart. How does a gift of nature becomes a resource? Okay, gift of nature, okay, when there is utility, usability plus value addition, it becomes a resource. Utility, that means it is of some use, or usability, one and the same thing. And when we are adding value addition to it, we are making worth to that resource, okay, to that product, it becomes a resource. Like for example, gift of nature becomes resource with the passage of time. Passage of time, why? Because human needs to understand that how can this resource be utilized and how can we add value addition to it so that it becomes a usability and finally it becomes a resource. So how is that possible? When something from nature when we get something from nature and we are processing them into finished products through technology, or you can say human skills or knowledge, it becomes a resource. Let us take an example. Waterfall, okay, it is there naturally in the environment. It has force, like the falling water has certain speed, so it has force. Now we used a technology or skills to make this waterfall a value addition. We are adding value to this thing, okay. Generated hydroelectricity, made into a resource. Until now, waterfall was there something of scenic beauty, alright, we could not use it, or we could just take water from that, okay. So it was gift of nature. Through our through our humans technology and skills, we understood, okay, force is one thing which could be utilized from this waterfall. So we added our technology and skills to make this valuable, and thus we converted this force into a resource, okay. Therefore technology and time are two main factors which can change substance into resource. technology and time. We need technology to make gift of nature into a further good resource, plus we need time so that we can use our skills over it. Okay, and one important thing, most important resources on earth are human beings. So let us study in the next video why are human beings called the most important resource on earth.